Time check! Sawadee ka, Tokon! Hello everyone, this is Teacher Odette. A day in my life as a fresh graduate from college and now as a public school teacher in Thailand. Get ready with me, let's go! Good morning everyone! Good morning Philippines! Good morning Thailand! Sawadee ka!
Thank you.
Nag-uwan-uwan, o diba pak, san ka dyan? San ka dyan? Good morning, Teacher Odette! Time check! It's 7:05 a.m. It's time para mag-makeup! Makeup time! Good morning, Teacher Maria! Dalaw mo ko bawat gabi. Wala nang makikita. Focus mo ako rin sa sarili. Hindi na nakabinip. Ilaw. Multo na ko ng damdamin ko. Ng damdamin ko. Di mo pa isarili. Hirap sa akin. Made it alive, but I think I lost it. So I was flying, said it from a coffin. I'm walking, that's my life, that's my life. Over the fire, sitting on the earrings. That's your promise. Thank you, so cool. Yeah, you go with the pull up on your body like a sunny thing. Good morning. Ohayo gozaimasu. Teacher Pakawan? Teacher Pakawan? Teacher Pakawan? Teacher Ja? Teacher Ja? Teacher. Good morning, Teacher Jen. Swadika. Today is my school program kami, like earthquake drill. Kaya period 1 and period 2, wala kaming pasok. Kaya yun siya, free time, makikinig lang kami kung matapos to. Ganda ba, Day? Ganda ng outfit ko, Day? Ganda ba? Bakit? Nice akong make-up ron, Georgian? Nice akong make-up ron? Nice akong make-up? Bongga. Kala-ala ka bata. Kala-ala ka bata. Coconut. Bon appetit. Cheers. Cheers.
นักเรียนทั้งหมดนิ่ง
ลำดับต่อไปนางสาวพิมชนกกระทูลพัฒน์ช่วยรองผู้ในวยการดีเด่น
ทรงห่วงใยอาทรของพระสงฆ์ต่อและได้พระราชทานความช่วยเหลือแก่ผู้ประสบภัยประชาชนผู้ยากไร้
Free ice cream, Day.
เมื่อน้องๆได้ยินสัญญาณหวอนี้ เราจะต้องไปรวมตัวกันที่จุดรวมพล
เมื่อได้ยินสัญญาณแรกนะครับเมื่อได้ยินสัญญาณแรกให้ทุกคนใช้
ผมเกิดที่นี่นะ
นะครับเรียนตามแก้วเลยครับเลขาที่พวกเราครับพ่อนั่งลงครับได้ค่ะแล้วนั่งลงครับคุณเป็นไรครับแล้วนั่งลงเลยอยู่ตรงสี่เดินแล้วนั่งลงเลยครับนั่งลงเลยเลี้ยงลงไป100 คนนะครับปลอดภัยหมดทุกคนครับ
ชอบฝึกงาน
Day, pang second ice cream na yun ako, Day. Day, sobrang init kaya nag-earthquake din. Na-stress akong makeup, Day. Diyos ko, nalusaw na. Oh my God. Ano, kaipsik-ipsik na. Bon appetit. Cheers. Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. All right, please sit properly and listen carefully. Our topic for today is riddles. Does anyone know what riddles are? No one? All right, then let's proceed. gathering. What is middle? Praise. Let's start. What must be broken before you can use that? Very good. The answer is yes. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Champ. Takdanay. Score. 44. Corn. Tanakorn. 60. Hoksip. Siphok. 16. Kong. Punasin. 37. Tiu. Jirapong. 28. Panya. 22. Tak. 35. Art. Surawit. 14. Sipsi. Ham. Ratshata. 30. Draft. 31. 21. Diamond. 14. Ikeo. 24. Gun. 21. Ball. Samsip. 30. Tay. 19. Hand. Tanakrit. Porping. Tanwarit. 34. Wait, hold on. Panatat. 44. Aranya. 28. Bell with chaya porn. 15. May Supanita. 52. Very good. May 22. Arisa. Lukwa. Iya. 17. Cake. Tida porn. 20. Yisip. Muk. Kanyawi. 41. Pim. Wasana. 15. Nana. Tanya Chanok. 45. Bam. Nanticha. 41. Rampan. Byfern. 34. Gam. 61. Clap your hands to Gam. Who's Gam? Who is Gam? Sirilak. Pass all the papers. Tira, Pachari point. Bye, class. Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Give me the score. Pangpand. 42. Time. 54. Not. 52. Golf. 57. Atom. Again, please. 35. August. 47. Pooh. 58. Owen. 45. Ted. 46. Again, please. 51. Kauklong.
65.
Very good, Kauklong. Pong. 55. 65. Very good, Pong. Mix. 44. 39. J. 18. Boss. Papangkorn. Okay, let's skip that one. EQ. 58. Bogey. 30. Papang. 58. Janjo. 45. 52. Nacha. 37. Pat.
61.
Very good, Pat. Aim. 44. Asia. 67. Excellent, Asia. Chari. 64. Very good. Pin. Nachaya. 56. Nay. Natida.
64.
Very good. Nichanan. 51. Ja. 54. Ploy. 46. Plank. 59. Drew. 58. Four wheel. 58. Gum. 49. Aim. 53. Pass all the papers.
Upakarn is 49.
49.
Yes.
Everybody stand up, please. Bye and thank you, class. Goodbye, Teacher Ming, Jai Chen. Goodbye, Teacher Maria. See you on Monday. See you next week. There's no class on Monday. Holiday. See you on Tuesday, everyone. Happy long weekend na naman.